Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today's class is about how to create a web page using HTML and CSS. Let's start our session. It is a web page which I was created by using basic HTML and CSS tags. Have a brief look at this. It was a code that I have written to create this web page. I had used CSS and both HTML to write these web page, to design this web page. Okay. Whereas coming to the discussions about HTML and CSS. Whereas coming to HTML we had used different tags like h1 tag, h2 tag, h3 tag and so on, along with that body, head. Here the main reason for using h1, h2, h3 are to show the difference between the headings of these. Whereas coming to here, I had used h1 tag for Virat Kohli, so it looks like more larger. Whereas coming to early life T20 records, that means like subtopics, I had used h2 tag in order to show that they are in small letters, and along with that I had used paragraph tag to write this paragraph in HTML web page. Along with that, it was image that I was inserted. To insert image in HTML page, we use image tag. Let us show that. Okay, look at here. I had used image. That means in order to insert an image, we use image tag. Along with that, we use attribute to give the link of the image here, like .jpg extension. If the image was not loaded or not present in the computer, then it shows alternative way like Virat pic. Next whereas coming to, I had used further details about him like name, that is date of birth, nickname, batting, bowling, and these I had given in table tag. That means table, we use table tag with alignment right side. I had used this table in right side, along with the background style of color red, RGB of white color, and a font color of black. And in order to enter the data, I had used TD tag. Next, I used paragraph tags in order to write the description about Virat Kohli. That means I had chosen. Let's see this. It was a paragraph that I was written. To separate these two paragraphs, I had used break tag. We know that break tag is not a closing tag. Let us show that. It was a break tag that I have used here. Check for the here ones. Along with that, in order to draw the horizontal lines between these two datas, I had used HR line. Show once. Let's show once here. Next, I had used T20 records, ODI records with underline symbols. In order to show these underlines, I had used INS tag. Let's show here INS. Next, I had used list. In order to store the list, we have two methods, that is ordered list and unordered list. In order to store the unordered list, we use UL. That means the list can be in form of dots or bullet points. These are the unordered list that I had used. Next, whereas coming to this, here I had used a image. I think you all know that about how to insert the image. Next, finally, I had used a format tag. The main reason for using that for footer tag is to enter the data of you. Here I had entered the data of myself as a footer tag. Thank you.